policymaking meeting at the Fed today. As NPR's John Itzey reports, she and her colleagues held the Fed's benchmark interest rate steady in a range between 1.25% and 1.5%.
No rate change was expected at this meeting, and Yellen had no final public words since a press conference wasn't scheduled. The meeting statement reaffirmed a solid outlook for U.S. economic growth and signaled continued gradual increases in interest rates. That suggests continuity as Yellen steps down on Saturday and hands off to Fed Governor and former investment manager Jerome Powell. He'll be sworn in on Monday. Yellen has been widely praised for steadily guiding the U.S. economy to near full employment and healthy growth during her 4-year term. But the first woman to lead the Fed is also the first Fed chair in nearly 40 years not given a second term. John Itzey, NPR News, Washington.
Well, there's still plenty of people out there who haven't saved enough for retirement. A new survey that looked at 3,000 working households finds those Americans are in the best shape in more than a decade. Fidelity said it looked at how much those individuals have saved, plus Social Security and other assets. It showed the typical saver was on track to have 80% of the income needed to recover, or retire rather. However, half of Americans age 55 or over have no retirement savings. On Wall Street today, the Dow closed up 72 points. The Nasdaq was up 9 points. You're listening to NPR News. An Amtrak passenger train ferrying many members of Congress to a retreat in West Virginia was involved in an accident in which the train struck a garbage truck at a Virginia rail crossing today. No serious injuries were reported among the lawmakers or their staff. Representative Jason Lewis was being examined for a possible concussion. Officials say there was a death and serious injury among those in the truck. 2 crew members and several other passengers were also hurt, suffering minor injuries.